Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, we are up at Thorn Creek Butte Lookout, or as close as we're going to get to Thorn Creek Butte Lookout. The lookout's actually right up there on top of the hill. You can see the highest point right there. It's just over that hill. We're not going to be able to get up there with the sleds we have, but in the summertime the road takes off right by that sign you can see in the middle of the view there and goes off that direction. Guys with bigger machines and a lot more skill will go up the face of that hill right there. But we've got these nice trails here today and a beautiful view. We'll just kind of pan around here. Got some close mountains here, but the real view is over here. That's kind of looking off towards like Atlanta, out that direction. But beautiful view. We'll see if we can zoom in a little bit further on the mountains out there. I don't know if it'll get blurry or not. But great day up here today. It was very cold this morning, but we've got nice weather now. The sun's out. It's probably still about 20 degrees, but beautiful day today.